It's Sunday morning. Tapos na ang masasayang bakasyon. Yun. So, ito. Simbalit tayo. Pasasalamat ulit. And ask for more blessings for this coming week and days to come.
9th year. So she's gonna go and do something next year.
May pa-cake at may pa-lemonade para kay Father RJ. Welcome kay Father RJ.
Oh, okay.
Oh, what was the name of the...
Ito po, pauwi na. Tapos na yung mass. So, ayan. Uwian na. So, ayun. I'm so happy kasi si Father RJ na yung nag-ano ng mass. Tapos, nagpa-welcome pa sa kanya. May pa-counting pa cake.